Hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in.
The law of attraction, being kind, is powerful. Hello, my positive peeps. This is Lori here, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I have been doing a 30-day law of attraction crash course for beginners. If you absolutely love my crash course so far, give me a little thumbs up. Every single like helps. Leave a quick comment. Let me know how much of a beginner you are, or if you're a pro. I'd love to know that as well. Now, each video on this crash course will flow nicely into the next video, just like a continuous lesson. Today is day 19. Click here to start at day 1. Each video is under 10 minutes long to be completely mindful of your time, because I know we all have hectic, busy lives, but we love it. Okay, allow me to quickly mention that course workbook. It's free, and there's a link below in the description so that you can download that and follow along. Last thing to mention before we get down to the nitty-gritty is that there is a recap also in the description so that you can see everything we've covered up until today, day 19. Okay, for today, I'm going to be putting all of these methods of mastery on hold just for a moment. I want to bring your attention back to that thought loop. I want you to keep this out and keep a copy of it with you all the time. As your law of attraction teacher, I want you to remember these 3 things. Okay, so keep this in mind. Number 1, everything that ever existed or does exist or will starts with a thought. Number 2, you must feel good. Therefore, good, positive, happy thoughts are necessary. So thoughts, but they have to be good thoughts. Number 3, be as loving and kind as possible. Now keep in mind what I mentioned yesterday about the law of correspondence. It says that your outer world is a product and direct reflection of your inner world. When you are positive and happy, on the inside, feeling as good as possible. You see, I don't know if you've ever heard this before, but the world is you pushed out. So you literally get back what you put out there, okay? Like a mirror. Today, I'm reminding you to be kind. This may sound elementary or basic, but it does go a long way. Other ways to be loving and kind. Okay, so number 1, reach out to someone who is struggling with mental illness or loneliness. Number 2, pay for someone's coffee behind you in line at the drive-thru at Tim Hortons. I love doing this. It's so fun. Number 3, let someone else have the last piece of cake. Okay, so do something like that where you're generous. Number 4, smile at someone as you pass by. It's hard with those masks, but people can tell in your eyes. Number 5, compliment somebody on a job well done. Go the extra mile to be kind. Do not take the power of kindness for granted. Being kind raises your own vibration and the vibration of those around you. Doing a kindness is also contagious. It makes the receiver want to be kind as well. Do you know where this starts? It starts at home, inside you. You love yourself, be kind, gentle, and patient with yourself, and then be kind and gentle and patient with your family and friends, and then strangers. Last but not least, be kind online as well. Be a good digital citizen. People can be mean online as they are anonymous, but being kind requires integrity. And integrity means being good and being a good person when no one is looking. Okay, so for yourself. Your homework today is to be kind today. Comment below how you plan to do that. Let me know, what are you gonna do? Or do you have any ideas? Maybe you have an idea that I didn't even mention. So do one kind thing for someone, attract that awesome good karma, guys. Love you all. Thank you, my most intelligent, beautiful students. I really appreciate you watching this video and coming to class today. Tomorrow, we shall continue with the next lesson. Don't forget, if you have not already done so, click that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you do not miss the next lesson. Have a most glorious, beautiful, wonderful day, and I love you all. Mwah.